This is the video demonstration of the Nanometrics NanoSpec, which will be used to measure gallium arsenide wafers containing a silicon nitride layer deposited on them. When you start the machine up, the first screen you will see, it'll ask you what the wavelength is. You're to look up on the machine. There's a small indicator in the lower right of the microscope assembly. If it matches up to 480, you hit yes on the keyboard. This is the important one. This is what will let us measure the gallium arsenide wafers. The refractive index option. Hit yes on the keyboard to enable the option. Currently we do not have a printer, so we're going to hit no. Since we are measuring a nitride, we're going to select number 2 because there are special parameters in there which relate to the properties of the nitride film. For this, we're going to use the 10x objective, so we will hit 1. It asks us to focus on the reference object, which you do by looking through the microscope and seeing that the outline of the picture is sharp. Once you're satisfied, hit the measure button. It'll do the zero reference check. And it'll measure the values of the wafer, in this case our gallium arsenide wafer. The blank, I might add. And we could put in an arbitrary sample number. And here's where we will enter our refractive index. We'll put in the provided 2.0. When you see this prompt, you are ready to measure. So you place your sample on, focus, and hit the measure button. And as you can see, we have 698 angstroms, and this was sample number 1, which was the 701. So we are within 3 angstroms on this particular one. It asks you if you want to accept the measurement. You say yes. If you say no, it'll just say rejected on the screen, which I will show you in a moment. I will hit no, and as you can see, it says rejected. That is more or less the operation for gallium arsenide wafers containing a silicon nitride deposition upon them.